Hey, what's going on? This is Wayne here, and we are testing out some weapon shield, steel shield technologies, super lubricant that actually bonds to the steel. It doesn't rely on the oil for the lubrication. It actually relies on its own proprietary technology that bonds to the steel surface. So we can hear we've got a pretty nasty hinge. See if we can help this thing out. Lay a bead of this stuff all the way down. See. That's going to help us out. Right there. And then let it work itself in. Very nice. Very nice. So you can instantly see the effects of that. And this is going to last way longer than any other kind of lubricant because it uses the oil as the delivery method, not the lubricant itself. It actually relies on its own technology. So once the oil is gone, it actually bonds to the metal surface at a molecular level and helps protect your metal parts. Thanks for watching. Check out Steel Shield Technology Inc. at steelshield.com, and check out Weapon Shield. This stuff is really awesome for firearms and other things like that as well. And the cool part is this really, really neat applicator. It's almost like a pen, fits on your shirt pocket. Always have it. Thanks for watching.